Well, hello everybody, this is Jim Rutt with my very first instructional YouTube video. It's going to be a very simple one, but very powerful. How to get rid of 95 to 100% of viruses on your computer, your Windows computer, with one tool in about 2 to 3 hours. Well, with the proliferation of viruses and malware that we see out there, we see a lot of problems on PCs. I get lots of calls and questions from folks. So I'm going to show you a way you can get rid of most of them without having to call the Geek Squad or somebody local like your neighbor or something like that. Okay? It's real simple. First thing you want to do is you want to open up Internet Explorer. Let that go on. We're going to be searching for a tool called Malwarebytes. So I'll spell it out here. Malwarebytes. Web search. We're going to click download now. It's a free tool, but you can pay for an upgraded version of it, but it's not worth it. So we're going to save that. Then we're going to run it. Click yes here. Hit OK for English or whatever your language is. You then want to click next. Accept the argument. Just keep clicking next like you would any other program installation, and then install. The last screen will ask you to update and then launch, so you leave both of those checked and click finish. It will then connect to the server and download any signature updates that it needs, and then verify it with that box that came up. So we'll hit OK there. And here's the program. I'm going to go ahead and close Internet Explorer out. Close all tabs. What you want to do here is you want to select the scan type. Now the best way to do it is, although it takes a little bit longer, is perform full scan. So full scan will scan all files and also what's called the registry. And we'll go through that in another video. So if we hit scan, we want to select the drives. Most of the time it's going to be your C drive. So I would just leave that because most viruses end up in your system drive. So we hit scan. And you're going to let that run for about, I'd say, 2 hours in most cases. If your computer's a little slow, it might be 2.5. Might be a little bit less depending on how new your computer is. At the end of that, you're going to get something in red here. It says objects detected. It's going to give you a choice down here to remove objects. You want to go ahead and click that button after it allows you to review them. And then it's probably going to ask you to reboot your machine or restart your machine, which you want to do. Now, using this method, you can get rid of 95 to 100% of the viruses, malware, rootkits, whatever the tech guys like to call them, that's plaguing your machine, and we're going to get you back to operational levels in no time. So stick around, check out the other videos that are going to be coming in my YouTube channel, and hope to hear from you soon. All my contact information is below the video. Thank you very much.